Hi everyone. Today we are going to check how to implement marker in Google Map in Flutter. We'll check default marker and how to change the color of default marker, info on marker, and also custom marker, marker on camera move. When we are moving the camera at that time, marker should move. So let's start implementation of marker. First of all, we have to implement Google Map, which I have already done in another video. Sharing the link in description box. Also, we'll do quick review of Google Map code. So for Google Map implementation, we have written this code. We have that Google Map. Inside this, we have initial camera position. Also, you can write your map type like satellite. We have normal and another also, and also on map created method. Inside that initial camera position, we have written for camera position, latitude, longitude, where you have to reflect your camera, and your zoom, also tilt I will explain later what it is, how it will be visible. So for this on map created method, we have written controller of map, Google Map controller, and inside that we have animate camera. It will animate on that position. Here we have camera update and new camera position, whatever it is, and that camera position we have written in the code. Let's run the code. Here it is loading. Here we have loaded the map. Now we'll implement marker. Here I'm starting with markers. We have initialize this. Here. Now we have to add the marker here. For adding marker, we have to write the code inside the animate camera. Here we have marker ID, whatever you want, by default we can make it for now. Also write the position. We'll do it dynamic after some time in next video. For now this is static. Oh, here we have to write just add marker. This we have to write here and write icon here. Bit descriptor dot default marker. Now run the code. Here we have default marker. Let's change the color of marker. Here we are replacing this with some variable map marker. Initialize this with bit descriptor. Here we initialize this. Now write a method. Inside this we can initialize map marker. Here we have to write bit descriptor. Here earlier we have default marker. Now we'll choose default marker with view and Then write here bitmap descriptor, and whatever color you want you can choose. I'm using this for now, and initialize the set marker in init method. Here, now we can run the code. Here it is, it changes the color of marker. Now if you have to write some info in this marker, then we can write here info window. Inside the info window we can write title, whatever you want, like I'm writing testing and snipped or testing this marker. Now we can do hot reload. Here, let's click on it. Here we are getting this info. Let's work on custom marker, how to replace it. Change this, remove this. Now we can do from asset image. Inside the configuration we just have to write image configuration here, and inside the asset just write the name of asset as we have. Inside the image I have write that IC marker, just images, sorry, here we have the images slash IC underscore marker dot png. As we are writing this image name here, we have to do it async and await method. Await param we have to write. Now we can run the code. Here we have changed this. Now let's see how marker will move on camera move. Just on camera move we have to write inside this set state method. Inside the set state method we can write markers dot first. Replace this with markers first dot copy with position param position dot target. That's it. Just run the code here. Now it will move the marker as well. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.